I'm on United, flying the friendly skies, and I'm about to eat noodles. But first, I'm just going to clean myself off a little bit by opening up the lovely United cleaning cloth. I'm just going to open this up, alright? And then I'm just going to wash my hands just like this. Make sure they're nice and clean, alright? Nice and clean hands, wipe my mouth a little bit, and let's see what we have. Alright, so we're going to open this up. We're going to look at what the main dish is. And this is noodles, okay? It looks like some sort of noodles with beef. Looks like there's some cabbage and some other vegetables with inside there. Looks like it's Asian style themed. We'll taste and see what it's like, but let's open up the other packages. What else do we have over here? We have a toothpick, which I'm going to use afterwards, so keep that to the side. And then home kept biscuits, bourbon biscuits, perhaps. You're gonna open up and these are biscuits. Look like cookies. Hello.
What is that?
This is. I'm just watching myself eat. So yeah, it's just a camera.
What is it?
It's just a camera for me obtaining absolute goodness.
That is not the one. What's the name of the?
It's I can't remember the name of it. Yeah. He'll come back. He'll come back to me, but you know, I'll remind us both once I figure it out. But yeah, I'm just like.
I can think of it.
Yes.
I gotta do one. Black coffee. Any juice?
Juice? I think I'm gonna get back to this, but we're gonna get something to drink because I'm gonna need something to wash this down with.
That was a big thing, and so cool after that.
Yeah. Absolute goodness, alright.
And usually.
Can I have Pepsi? Do you have Pepsi?
Yes, I do, sir.
Alright, so we're gonna have Pepsi with this right here. I'm gonna use Pepsi to wash this down. So let me clean off my plate a little bit while I get some.